everyone! So today is going to be all about how to be an awesome second shooter. So I started out my wedding photography career just second shooting weddings. I shot about 20 weddings my first year with a bunch of different photographers, and it was the best thing ever. If you use second shooting right, you can really grow your own business a lot. But you definitely have to have the right mindset going into it. So today I'm going to share 5 ways that you can be an awesome second shooter. Number 1, focus on complimenting the main photographer's gallery. Unless the photographer tells you otherwise, definitely focus on getting like side angles. If they're shooting wider, you can get more up close and use closer lenses so that you have something that just complements their gallery better. Think about what they're shooting and how you can best serve them and complement the gallery, so it's just not a bunch of duplicates of the same photo shooting over their shoulder. And you're really going to serve the couple really well because you're getting a really good variety in their photos. Number 2, jump at the chance to do anything that's asked. So even if it's not the photographer, if it's another vendor, or if it's a member of the bridal party, something like that, if someone needs something done or needs help with something, just jump at the chance to do it and be someone that's there to really serve the people there on the wedding day. Number 3 is be on time, or actually just be early. This is something that's super important to not stress out the main photographer, and because you don't know if that's going to come back around and they're going to ask like, why was your second shooter late? So just take that stress away from the photographer. I usually just try to get there about 30 minutes early. It gives me a lot of buffer time too in case I'm running a little bit behind or something. But yeah, just be on time and be early. That really shows that you really care and that you take it seriously and that you really want to show up and serve the photographer and do everything you can to make the day not stressful for them. Number 4 seems really simple, but it's just to smile. You would have no idea how many people that I've worked with that just don't smile very much on their wedding day, and really smiling a lot can just bring such a joyful attitude and atmosphere to the wedding day. So definitely just smile a lot and have a lot of fun, and it's going to make everyone feel a lot more joy. Okay, and then number 5 is to bring along some emergency items. So if there's anything that you can bring, like in a little emergency kit, or I've always bring along a little kit of just things that I usually need on a wedding day, like bobby pins and safety pins and a sewing kit and stuff like that, or like extra wooden hangers. It's just really nice to have. You probably won't even have to pull it out from your car to use it, but I always just stash it in there just in case the photographer forgets to bring that stuff or doesn't have that stuff, and then you can help save the day by having those things on hand. Alright guys, if you have any questions about second shooting, I'd love to answer them for you. I have a lot of different second shooters work for me, and I've second shot for a lot of people, so I'd love to help you guys out. And if you have a second shooting gig coming up and you're just trying to figure out how to go about it, just take these 5 tips to heart and do the best you can to show up and serve with a good attitude, and you're going to do a great job and really stand out. And also, if you're a photographer, be sure to join my SK Photo Tribe Facebook group. We have a lot of fun, and it's just a way to connect with other photographers who are doing the same thing you are. And also hit subscribe because I upload a new video here every single week. I can't wait to share more next week. Bye guys!